Khlish is a 2006 Indian Hindi-language superhero film directed and produced by Rakesh Roshan. It stars Hrithik Roshan and Priyanka Chopra, while Nasiruddin Shah, Rekha, Manini Mishra, Archana Puran Singh and Sharat Saxena feature in supporting roles. It is the second installment in the Khlish franchise, being the sequel to Koi Mil Gaya, and relates the story of Krishna, the son of the previous film's protagonists, who inherits his father's superhuman abilities. After falling in love with Priya, he follows her to Singapore, where he takes on the persona of an Quat, Khlish and Quat, to keep his identity secret while saving children from a burning circus. From that moment on, he is regarded as a superhero, and must later thwart the plans of the evil Dr. Arya, who has a connection to Krishna's father, Rohit, the protagonist of the previous film. Khlish was conceived to be a film of global significance and a trendsetter in Indian cinema, with visual effects on par with those from Hollywood. To that end, the effects team was aided by Hollywood's Mark Kolber and Craig Mummer, and the stunts were choreographed by Chinese martial arts film expert Tony Ching. The music was composed by Rajesh Roshan, with the background score by Salim Sulaiman. Filming was done to a large extent in Singapore as well as India. Khlish released worldwide on 23 June 2006 at a budget of 40 crore rupees and on 1,000 prints, both near record amounts for an Indian film at the time. Khlish received positive reviews from critics in India, got a record opening week at the box office. A blockbuster, Khlish grossed a worldwide total of 126 crore rupees, becoming the third highest grossing Indian film of 2006. Khlish received 8 nominations at the 52nd Filmfare Awards, including Best Film, Best Director, Rakesh, Best Actor, Hrithik, and Best Supporting Actress, Rekha, and won 3 awards, including Best Special Effects. At the 8th IIFA Awards, the film received 9 nominations and won 3 awards, including Best Actor, Hrithik. It also won the National Film Award for Best Special Effects. The third film in the series, Khlish 3, was released in 2013. Krishna leaves Singapore after revealing the truth behind why he wore the mask. Priya realizes her mistake and stops her boss from revealing Khlish's identity. She meets Dr. Vikram Sinha, who has been searching for Krishna for years. He reveals that Rohit is still alive. After completing the computer, they saw Siddhant holding Rohit at gunpoint. Rohit understood that Siddhant was going to kill him. He destroyed it and was taken as a prisoner by Siddhant until he started a new computer. Meanwhile, Siddhant broadcast the lie that Rohit had been killed in a fire. In the present, Siddhant has rebuilt the computer after 20 years. He starts it to see his future and sees Khlish holding him at gunpoint. Siddhant kills Christian, thinking he is Khlish. Krishna follows Siddhant to his remote island lair. Siddhant kills Vikram and holds Rohit and Priya at gunpoint. Krishna saves Priya and Rohit and fatally wounds Siddhant. After Siddhant dies, Krishna and Priya take Rohit back to India, reuniting him with his mother Sonia. Rohit uses his late father's special computer to contact his alien friend Jadoo, whose spaceship is later seen. The final budget of Khlish came to 40 crore rupees, which at that time was considered a big budget film by Hindi film standards. The film was released on 23 June 2006 with 1,000 prints. Khlish was simultaneously released along with dubbed versions in Tamil and Telugu languages. It was the first Indian film to receive payments in advance for product placement, music, and international distribution rights. Awards: Khlish won Best Actor, Best Action, and Best Special Effects. Rakesh Roshan won the Creative Person of the Year title at the same ceremony. Additionally, the film was nominated in the following categories at the ceremony: Best Director, Best Music and Best Story. Hrithik Roshan won other acting awards that year, including the Star Screen Award Best Actor, Zee Cine Award for Best Actor, Male, BFJA, Best Actor Award, Hindi, and GIFA Best Actor. The film's special effects won the National Film Award for Best Special Effects. The film also took Best Picture honors at the Matri Shri Media Awards. In a showing of the film's popularity with children, Khlish swept the major film categories at the Pogo Amazing Kids Awards, which are voted on by children across India. Winners were Hrithik Roshan, Most Amazing Actor, Male, Priyanka Chopra, Most Amazing Actor, Female, Khlish, Most Amazing Film, Special Effects in Khlish, Most Amazing Moment in a Film. 52nd Filmfare Awards. Won Best Background Score, Salim Suleiman Best Special Effects, EFX Best Action. Tony Ching and Shu Tung nominated Best Film. Rakesh Roshan Best Director, Rakesh Roshan Best Actor, Hrithik Roshan Best Supporting Actress, Rekha Best Villain, Nasiruddin Shah Best Sound Design, Jitendra Chowdhury, Bailon Fonsekai and Nakul Kamray.